Elevation Lab has been working on the iPhone docks for several years, since the dock Kickstarter project took off in 2011. All that experience on the dock has culminated in the simple and versatile CordDock, launched in March. Priced at $39, the CordDock is similar in design to ElevationDock 4, which quickly became my favorite base after it came out last year. The CordDock is like the ElevationDock 4, only better, and in my opinion, it is one of the best wired springs you can get for the iPhone. Like its sister dock, the CordDock has a very small footprint, occupying minimal space on your desk. The base is narrower than an iPhone, so the maximum amount of horizontal space it will occupy is the width of your iPhone, and it is also less than 2 inches thick. It's very small compared to most other iPhone posts, which is nice on a messy desk. The small base of CordDock could make it look like it would not be as sturdy as the heavier springs, but it's thanks to a micro-air suction base that it feels a bit like magic. It is not sticky when you touch it, but when you put it on a hard surface, it adheres with enough strength to be super stable. The micro-air suction is strong enough for CordDock to remain in place even when you lift the iPhone with one hand, and that is not true for other springs that I own. Usually, I need to use both hands when undocking a phone, one to hold the iPhone and another to keep the base down and separate it. You will have to place the CordDock on a solid and smooth surface so that it can hold well, but it will work well on a desk, nightstand, counter or other location. I've tried it on wood, painted wood, metal, glass and granite, and it's glued to all surfaces.